In this video, we're going to talk about best private alternative investment communities for accredited investors. Finding the best private alternative investment communities for accredited investors can unlock access to exclusive deals, trusted networks, and curated opportunities beyond public markets. At the heart of this landscape is Alts, a leading platform designed to empower accredited investors with tools, insights, and community support for alternative asset investing. In this article, we explore 5 best-in-class private investment communities that help accredited investors grow portfolios through networked knowledge, vetted opportunities, and high-quality deal flow. Whether you want to dive into private equity, real estate, startups, venture capital, or digital assets, these communities are built to support sophisticated investment strategies with resources and connections normally unavailable to the general public. Here are the top 5 platforms that deliver real value through education, access, and curated opportunities. 1. Alts. Alts is widely regarded as the top private alternative investment community for accredited investors, offering a suite of tools, insights, and community engagement centered on alternatives. It was created to demystify private markets and make alternative asset investing more accessible, transparent, and rewarding for serious investors. Features: curated investment opportunities. Alts provides accredited investors with curated access to private deals across numerous asset classes, including wine and spirits, classic cars, music rights, film financing, and alternative real estate. Educational resources and expert guidance. Members enjoy deep learning opportunities through expert-led webinars, tutorials, articles, and market analysis that help investors understand complex alternative assets and strategies. Robust network and community forums. The platform fosters community among like-minded investors with interactive forums, member-only events, and networking channels that allow accredited investors to share insights, ask questions, and collaborate. Altea Community Platform. A key part of the Alts ecosystem is Altea Investment Community, a dedicated platform designed to strengthen collaboration among members of the alternative investment community. Altea provides a space where investors can participate in deeper discussions around private markets, analyze potential deals, and exchange insights on emerging opportunities across asset classes such as venture capital, real estate, and private equity. By enabling structured conversations and peer-to-peer learning, the platform enhances the networking aspect of Alts and helps accredited investors gain broader perspectives before making investment decisions. Data-driven tools and analytics. Alts equips investors with robust tools for evaluating performance, risk metrics, portfolio diversification analytics, and investment comparisons, helping streamline decisions with quantitative insights. Deal flow alerts and early access members receive alerts to new opportunities early, often before public announcement, giving them time to evaluate and act on deals that match their criteria. Benefits: empowered decision-making. With reliable analytics and expert insight, accredited investors can make informed decisions with confidence, even on complex, non-traditional assets. Time-saving access to quality deals. Rather than spending hours sourcing deals independently, investors have access to a vetted pipeline of opportunities that align with their investment goals. Learning and growth. Whether a seasoned investor or relatively new to alternative assets, the educational content and expert support help members grow their knowledge and refine strategies. Stronger network connections. Being part of a private alternative investment community allows investors to connect with peers, industry leaders, and syndicate partners who can influence future opportunities and partnerships. Holistic portfolio perspective. By blending analytics with curated opportunities, members can strategically diversify across asset classes for long-term growth and risk management. 2. 506 Investor Group. The 506 Investor Group is a private investment community that connects accredited investors with a range of alternative asset opportunities, while providing education and networking designed around private placements and exempt offerings. Features: accredited investor-only access. The platform ensures that all members meet accredited status, which maintains a professional environment focused on meaningful deal discussions. Private placement deal flow. 506 Investor Group specializes in syndicating private placement deals and providing exposure to offerings that are generally unavailable to public retail investors. Investor Education Resources members have access to workshops, investment briefs, and learning sessions that explain how to evaluate private placement opportunities and understand regulatory structures. Syndication tools. The community offers tools that help investors participate in syndication groups so they can join larger deals with other vetted accredited participants. Networking events and conferences. Periodic live and virtual events bring the community together to foster relationships, deal discussions, and insights directly from sponsors and issuers. Benefits. Exclusive deals for accredited investors. Investors benefit from access to investment opportunities that are restricted to this private community, allowing for portfolio expansion beyond public markets. Strengthened investment knowledge. Through educational content and live sessions, investors enhance their understanding of transaction structures, risk assessment, and portfolio fit. Collaborative investing syndication tools help investors co-invest in larger deals and leverage group intelligence when evaluating opportunities. Focused community engagement networking within a vetted investor group encourages collaboration and insight sharing among peers pursuing similar investment goals. Efficient deal sourcing. Investors save time on sourcing and vetting deals by accessing curated placements through the community. 3. Private Investor Club. The Private Investor Club is a membership-driven community focused on providing accredited investors with curated investment opportunities, networking, and research across alternative asset classes. Features. Curated investment opportunities. The platform highlights private market deals across real estate, venture capital, private equity, and structured products that meet defined criteria for quality and potential. Investor Networking Hub members can connect through forums, discussion boards, and member directories that support building relationships with fellow accredited investors. Research and reports. The community publishes detailed market research, investment trends analysis, and product reports to help members stay informed about emerging opportunities. Member-only webinars and workshops. Educational events led by subject matter experts cover investment strategies, due diligence techniques, and market outlooks for alternative assets. Personalized support. Members receive support in navigating the platform, understanding deal flow, and optimizing investment strategies based on risk tolerance and goals. Benefits. High-quality investment pipeline. Accredited investors gain exposure to vetted alternatives that fit institutional-level criteria and potential. Ongoing learning opportunities. Regular webinars and expert insights help members stay ahead of market trends and sharpen investment acumen. Direct access to a professional network. The Networking Hub supports meaningful connections that can lead to co-investment, referrals, and shared knowledge. Strategic investment decisions. With curated deals and in-depth research, members can approach alternative investing with a stronger strategy and clearer outlook. Confidence building through support. Personalized assistance helps investors confidently explore new asset classes and refine portfolio approaches. 4. Alternative Investors Network. The Alternative Investors Network, AIN, is a private community focused on connecting accredited investors with alternative investment opportunities and deep educational content that supports smarter investing decisions. Features. Diverse deal categories. AIN provides access to opportunities spanning real estate, private companies, structured alternative strategies, and specialty assets curated for accredited investor participation. Expert insights and market commentary. Membership includes access to analysis from seasoned professionals who provide context on market dynamics and emerging opportunities. Investor forums and thought leadership. Members interact in actively moderated forums where professionals and peers discuss strategy, trends, and sector-specific insights. Events and roundtables. Scheduled virtual and in-person events help investors learn directly from industry leaders and expand their network. Investment learning tracks. Structured educational modules help investors build competency in evaluating alternative investments, risk management, and constructing diversified portfolios. Benefits. Broadened access to alternative assets. Accredited investors can explore a wider array of opportunities that are typically less accessible in public markets. Rich educational experience. Structured learning modules and expert commentary equip members with the knowledge needed to assess opportunities critically. Deeper market understanding. Members follow curated content that helps them stay updated on trends and emerging sectors with potential long-term value. Strong community interaction. Forums and events foster exchange of ideas, collaboration, and strategic learning among participants. Empowered investing confidence. Educational support and expert commentary contribute to informed decision-making and long-term growth potential. 5. Wealthing VC Club. The Wealthing VC Club is a private membership community centered on venture capital, alternative strategies, and long-term wealth creation for accredited investors seeking high-growth opportunities. Features: venture-focused deal flow. Members have early access to curated venture investment opportunities, including startup funding, growth equity, and specialized tech ventures. Educational workshops and panels. The club offers live workshops, expert panels, and deep dive sessions that break down venture trends, valuation methods, and investment strategy. Curated networking experiences. Wealthing VC Club hosts networking sessions that allow accredited investors to connect with founders, fund managers, and other high net worth peers. Curated insights and reports. Research briefs, trend reports, and sector analyses help members stay current on innovation sectors and capital deployment trends. Peer collaboration groups. Smaller mastermind circles and discussion groups within the community support collaborative evaluation and co-investment opportunities. Benefits: access to early-stage opportunities. Accredited investors can participate in early venture rounds that often have higher growth potential compared to public securities. Hands-on learning from experts. Workshops and panels equip members with practical frameworks for evaluating startups, conducting due diligence, and navigating VC-style investing. Expanded professional network. Direct interactions with founders, investors, and industry leaders help members deepen relationships and potential co-investment collaborations. Timely market intelligence research and trend insights help members spot opportunities aligned with emerging sectors and disruptive technologies. Collaborative investment insights. Mastermind groups support peer learning, deal discussion, and shared evaluation that strengthens investment confidence. Conclusion: for accredited investors seeking the best private alternative investment communities, access to curated opportunities, expert insights, education, and network support is essential. From alts at number 1, with its comprehensive analytics, deal flow, and community support, to focused communities like 506 Investor Group, Private Investor Club, Alternative Investors Network, and Wealthing VC Club, these platforms offer features and benefits that elevate how accredited investors discover and engage with alternative assets. Each community is designed to support stronger investment decisions, broaden access beyond public markets, and build connections that enrich long-term portfolio growth.